Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon subscriptions, whether you're tracking your Prime membership, subscribe and save orders, or any other recurring services. This quick guide will show you exactly where to find all your active subscriptions in one place. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need full account access to view your subscription details. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option that says Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. This menu is your gateway to all the important settings and information related to your Amazon account. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Memberships and Subscriptions. This selection will take you to a dedicated page where Amazon consolidates all your subscription-related information in one convenient location. This makes it much easier to manage everything without having to navigate through multiple pages or settings. Once you're on the Memberships and Subscriptions page, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your active subscriptions. This includes everything from Amazon Prime and Kindle Unlimited to subscribe and save deliveries and any other recurring services you've signed up for through Amazon. Take a moment to scan through this list to get an overview of what you're currently subscribed to. If you want more detailed information about any particular subscription, simply click on the subscription name. This will open up the full details page for that specific service. Here you'll find important information such as your billing details, the next renewal date, payment method being used, and any other relevant subscription-specific information. This is particularly useful when you need to know exactly when a charge will hit your account, or if you want to verify which payment method is being used. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to locate and review all your Amazon subscriptions. This simple process helps you stay on top of your recurring charges and manage your services effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.